Njoke ugite kumania na mathina ma kimwiri mari arutwo maingi mari macukuru mombaga kugwa makigwata kumania na utumiri wa ronsi ruria ruti rutheru cukuru ikiembaniria na mbeca mingi iria maribaga cia ronsi. Thirikari ya Tharaka Nithi ikambiriria mubango kiri macukuru maria mari Tharaka Nithi kenda mabota kuona ronsi kuma kiri NIWASCO kwa maribi manini kenda gutigirira arutwo mena ronsi rutheru.
Most of the complications that are with our young people are something to do with the water they take, both at the university, the secondary school here, the boarding schools, because the schools are looking for means to survive in terms of saving, because if they are connected to the water company, wakati anapata bili ya stima, anapata ya maji kubwa kuliko ya stima. So most schools wamefanya intake zao kutoka kwa rivu na pub, and that is an area we need to tackle as leaders and as managers for institutions. It may look cheap now, but you are buying diseases for your students in future. I know Chuka High School, one of them, those schools with that problem, and it's not the only one here. All of them, almost all of them, very few of them can afford to buy one margin. So even as we look into the future, because in future, in this county, I want us to look at negotiating with the water company, which is owned by Tharaka Nithi, so that we can have a special tariff for schools. If we are charging this much for the rest of the community, one here, school is a communal thing, it is something we should support. We can have a special tariff for them. We are bulk water sale, so that we don't sell to you in terms of 1 liter, 2 liters, you get it bulk. Make savings so that people to afford the same water. I'm talking about the rest of the schools in the county.
Arikite na kuga gatigirira cukuru ria thomere ya Chuka akumatethereria kuona mutambo wao wa kutheria ronsi ta njira ya gucokia nkatho.
But for this school, because this is where I was molded, I want to work with the school, with the county, using the expertise. I will look for donors as well, so that we establish a water treatment plan for this school.
Kripo Trageto FM kumachukega Ng'ombe mbitagwa Pamela Mukami wa Muthe.